In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the latest 2025 version of CorelDRAW graphics suite from the official website. I'll also demonstrate how to use your subscription key to unlock the full version of CorelDRAW 2025. For more tips and tricks, join our Telegram channel. First, open Google and search for CorelDRAW graphics suite. Then visit the official website at CorelDRAW.com. Once you're on the official site, proceed with the trial option. Enter any valid email address to claim your free 16-day trial. After that, you can download the installer for CorelDRAW Graphics Suite 2025 from the site. Run the installer to set up CorelDRAW Graphics Suite 2025 on your system. When the installation is complete, log in with the same email you used for the 16-day trial to finish registering for the CorelDRAW Graphics Suite 2025 application. As you'll see, this is a 16-day evaluation copy, which you can use for that period. However, if you have a subscription key, you can enter it to unlock the full version of CorelDRAW Graphics Suite 2025. Since I have a subscription key, I'll use it to unlock the full potential of this software. So, if you want software giveaways, don't forget to join our Telegram channel. And that's all for today's video. Like, share, and subscribe if you found this video valuable. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.